How cranes work. Source: How it works. By visualgk.com. Cranes are one of the most essential tools in large-scale construction, and have shaped the cities we know today. Without construction cranes, modern urban landscapes wouldn't exist. Before these weight-handling machines were invented, buildings were restricted by the limits of human strength. The energy used to lift, hold, turn, and lower building materials is generated in the crane's engines. These can be in the form of an internal diesel combustion engine, or electric motors. Multiple motors are required for hoisting, luffing, slewing, and long travel motions. Hoisting is the action of lifting and lowering materials by rotating the metal rope-like extension that it's attached to. Luffing also involves moving the material vertically, but by adjusting the crane's arm instead of the hoist. Motors that control slewing rotate the turntable where the top of the crane's tower meets the horizontal arm. This swings the lifted object towards or away from the building area. The final motion is reduced to smaller cranes that can move around to change their base area. This movement along ground surfaces aids the lift work in construction along roads. Counterweight. A weight at the opposite end of the horizontal arm balances the crane frame. The average crane's frame is made of high-strength steel, and can lift between 10 and 60 tons. Cabin. An operator sits in an operating room, below the cabin's horizontal arm, for visibility. Trolley and hoist. The trolley mechanism slides along the horizontal frame, to position the hoist, which is an extendable lifting chain, or wire rope, used for lifting objects. Foundation. A sizable concrete base supports the entire machine's weight. Weather gauge. Operators use an anemometer while inside a train. This weather meter warns them of changes in wind levels. Air conditioning. An air conditioning unit not only keeps operators at a comfortable temperature for long shifts, but also filters out harmful dust, gases, and odors. Container. Crane operators often carry a bottle-shaped container, so they don't have to climb all the way to ground level to go to the bathroom. Other large cranes have portable toilets on levels just below the cabin. Screen. Modern cranes have cameras attached to the ends of them. Operators can view the live footage on a screen inside the cabin for accurate maneuvers. Operator. A crane operator uses a joystick to turn 360 degrees. A separate joystick controls the hoist. Static versus mobile cranes. Some cranes are anchored to the ground, or are fixed to the roof of a building, ready to pass heavy items across a predetermined trajectory in each unloading. This is called a static crane. The most common type of static crane is a tower crane, consisting of a large vertical tower, or mast, and horizontal arm that extends out from it, called the jib. Mobile cranes are usually mounted onto heavy tracked vehicles, and can transport material over grounds of varying softness, and waterlogged construction landscapes. Mobile cranes are usually used to erect steel structures, and unload ships. Three largest cranes. Big Carl. SGC 250, known as Big Carl, is considered the world's largest crane, with a reach of 275 meters. 52 counterweight containers weighing 100 tons each assist the Belgian crane in lifting the equivalent of 1,600 family cars at a time. Tyson crane. This 133-meter-tall crane in Yontai, Shandong Province, China, holds the world record for the heaviest weight lifted, at 20,133 tons. Kona Crane's Goliath, Gantry Crane. A Goliath gantry crane has wheeled legs on either side, in order to move along a track, or rail. One such crane in Rio Grande do Sul, Brazil, can lift 2,000 tons, and spans a huge 210 meters of rail. Please like, share and subscribe. visualgk.com